Hostel Cicada is a small, new, nicely decorated, modern hostel. The hostel is in the center of town, split, but in a quiet neighborhood, just 10 men walking to the old town, Dioklecians Palace, to the stadium at Poljud, where SC are organized. We are always trying to be as helpful as possible, but we give our guests privacy, so they can feel at home. Hostel Cicada is located in the center of town, split, just 10 min. The main street is 100 m from hostel, where our guests have market with fruits and vegetables, coffee bar, hairdresser, masagge salon. On the other side, 100 m in Domovinskog Rata Street is one restaurant with Croatian food. The hostel consists of 2 rooms, one small with 4 beds and the other bigger with 10 beds. We have 2 showers, male and female, and toilets. Our guests can relax in our living room, with cable TV, Wi-Fi internet. They can drink coffee, tea, some juice. The both rooms has air conditioner and living room too. Cicada Hostel Policies Conditions, cancellation policy, 48 hours before arrival. The payment on arrival in cash. Check-in from 14 o'clock to 23 o'clock. Check-out from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Reception opening times 8 o'clock - 0 o'clock. Tax is not included. Occupancy tax €8 per person per night. Breakfast not included. General, no curfew. Pet friendly. Child friendly. Non-smoking.